Helping your parents immigrate to the United States typically involves the process of sponsorship, where you as a U.S. citizen file an immigrant visa petition for your parents. So here are the general steps involved. First is to establish eligibility. To petition for your parents to live in the U.S. as green card holders, you must be a U.S. citizen and at least 21 years old. Second is to file Form I-130 for each parent and submit supporting documentation to provide proof of your U.S. citizenship, proof of your relationship to your parents, and any other necessary documentation. Third is to wait for a decision on the petition. The USCIS will review your petition and notify you of their decision. If approved, your parents will be invited to apply for an immigrant visa. This involves completing another visa application, either Form I-45 or Form DS-260, undergoing a medical examination, and attending an interview. If the visa is granted, your parents will become lawful permanent residents.